health journey, giving it her best. But this time is different, she's doing it for her. Clearing out the doubt, making focus a blur. She tired of the setbacks, tired of the loop, tired of starting over and regrouping the troop. But she knows she can't do it all alone this time. Gotta build the foundation, gotta make it sublime. So she called in the backup, an expert in stride. Got a top nutritionist right by her side. If you wanna see how Pandi's taking control, living her best life, hitting every single goal. Don't go anywhere, you gotta stick around. Hit that like and comment, let's elevate. Share it with your friends, hype the video up. This is Pandi's health journey.
When I tell y'all I'm eating more food than ever and still losing weight, I need you to believe me. Because the deficit game is not what y'all think. Hey, what's good, Pandi's peeps? Welcome back to the Soft Life Health and Wellness Reset. It is week number 6 of our July series, and today we're talking food. Real food, colorful, filling, nourishing, food that keeps you in a calorie deficit without making you want to chew your arm off. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. If you're already chat fam with me, y'all already know what it gives. Welcome back. And if you are tuning in to this video during the live watch party premiere, shout out to you and friends with super channels. Y'all, when I first heard calorie deficit, I thought it meant eating like birds, salad with no dressing, rice with nothing on it, misery. But my nutritionist, she flipped that whole mindset for me. And today, I'm sharing a few things that she taught me. So here's what I was doing wrong, y'all. And I know some of y'all are doing the same thing right now. I was eating tiny meals, like a handful of almonds and a salad, and by 3 p.m., ooh, baby, my stomach was talking real loud. I'd be ravenous. I'd end up snacking on everything in sight because my body was literally screaming, "Feed me." My nutritionist looked at my food journal and said, "Pandi, you're not in a deficit. You're in a deficit and then a binge. That's a cycle, not a plan." And baby, that hit me like a ton of bricks. She taught me about volume eating, high volume, nutrient-dense foods that take up space in your stomach without taking up all your calories. Think big bowls of roasted veggies, lean proteins, whole grains, beans, color on color on color on color. And suddenly, I was eating big plates, full plates, satisfied plates, and still in a deficit. Because the math isn't about eating less, it's about eating smart. All right, let me break down my 5 go-to deficit meals. These are the ones that I've been rotating out pretty much every single week. For example, meal 1, the Power Bowl. This is where you take brown rice, which, child, I'm going to keep it real with you. It took some getting used to. And I still prefer white rice over brown. But for the sake of trying to lose weight, it's brown rice, black beans, grilled chicken, roasted bell peppers, and a drizzle of tahini. Y'all, this bowl is huge. It takes about 20 minutes to eat it, and it keeps me full for about 4 to 5 hours. The fiber from the beans and the protein from the chicken, that's the magic combo. Now, meal number 2, a veggie egg scramble. This is where you take 2 eggs, a whole cup of spinach, a half a cup of tomatoes, chopped mushrooms, and a slice of whole wheat toast. This is my go-to breakfast. The volume of the veggies makes it look like a massive plate, but the calorie count is low. The nutrition is high. Now, meal number 3, the loaded salad. This is where you take mixed greens, grilled chicken, chickpeas, cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, avocado, and a homemade vinaigrette. The secret, the chickpeas. They add bulk and protein. And avocado gives you those healthy fats that keep you satisfied. Meal number 4, stuffed sweet potatoes. 1 medium sweet potato stuffed with black beans, corn, salsa, and a sprinkle of cheese. Y'all, this tastes like a restaurant meal, but it's under 400 calories and it keeps you full for hours. Meal number 5, stir fry night. This one takes tons of broccoli, snap peas, bell peppers, shrimp or tofu. I couldn't do the tofu, y'all. Over cauliflower rice. Another different kind of taste, but not bad. The volume to calorie ratio on this is insane, and it is so flavorful that you don't even miss the takeout. Now, I know somebody's thinking, Pandi, that sounds expensive. It's not. And here's why, y'all. Beans, rice, sweet potato, eggs, and frozen veggies are some of the cheapest things in the grocery store. The most expensive thing on my list is the chicken, so I buy it in bulk. My weekly grocery budget for all 5 meals, under $50 for a full week worth of eating. That is the Soft Life Blueprint way. Fund your peace, including your physical peace, without going broke. Because wellness should not be a luxury. It should be a lifestyle. And you don't need a personal chef or a meal delivery service. You need a plan, a grocery list, and a willingness to try. Now, quick meal prep tips before we wrap up. Prep your proteins on Sunday. Cook your grains in batches. Chop your veggies ahead of time. You can store them in containers so that when Wednesday hits and you're tired, you open the fridge and your meals are already right there. No thinking required, because here's what I know. When you're tired, you reach for what's easy. So make the right thing easy. That's the whole game. All right, Pandi's peeps, that is your deficit meal guide. 5 meals under $50 and you will not be hungry. Y'all, drop the plate and silverware emoji in the comments if you want me to do a full cooking video for any of these meals. Remember, your vibe attracts your tribe, and I am so grateful that y'all are mine. Until Wednesday night's live, eat your colors, move your body, and be kind to yourself. This is Pandi signing off. Y'all continue to stay safe, stay encouraged, stay blessed, and don't stress. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace, y'all. Thanks for watching.
Pandi just decided, yeah, it's time to start fresh. A brand new health journey, giving it her best. But this time is different, she's doing it for her. Clearing out the doubt, making focus a blur. She's tired of the setbacks, tired of the loop, tired of starting over and regrouping the troop. But she knows she can't do it all alone this time. Gotta build a foundation, gotta make it sublime. So she called in the backup, an expert in stride. Got a top nutritionist right by her side if you wanna see